Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's really easy and it's free. It's the red button that's right underneath the video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's that simple. Nobody calls you, nobody writes you. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform, so thank you. Also, I want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my videos, because a lot of times I find deals or I want to introduce products to you that I just got introduced to. So if you press the bell that's right beside that subscribe button, what that does is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I have just posted a brand new video. You get the email, you'll see a picture of me with what I'm going to be talking about. You press on that and it brings you right to the video. So it's really simple and it's really convenient. So even if you are subscribed, I suggest that bell, it's a magic bell. Make sure you press it. Okay, today what I wanted to introduce you guys to is a product that I'm going to be introducing myself to. So if you have used this product, please leave me comments down below. I watch a lot of different YouTube channels. I used to a lot more than when I started my channel, because this is really takes a lot of time. So the things that I loved doing was being able to watch a lot more than I'm able to now. But when I do watch, there were a few different channels that were talking about this product that I'm going to be talking to you guys about. And it intrigued me so much that I decided to give it a try. As you know, I get a lot of boxes, and I choose really seldomly to now venture into the retail world unless it's a crazy deal. And because we have so much with these subscription boxes at such great prices, that we get to try so much, and there's only so many hours in the day, and I only have one face. So it's hard to try to introduce new products to me, because I'm always being introduced to new products. But when I kept hearing about how everyone was enjoying this product so much, I had to bite the bullet and say, okay, I'm gonna get this. It is from the company Juno, and the only thing I knew about Juno was those little microfiber sponges, which I enjoy. I own them, I like them, and I really wasn't that familiar with this Juno and Company brand. But I'm a girl who loves primer. I love it for my eyes. I love it for my face. I very rarely, unless it's it's not true, because even sometimes when I'm wearing a CC cream, I'll end up putting primer on. But most of the time, I'm wearing a primer underneath my makeup for sure. Sometimes under my CC cream, but I don't wear it when I wear a BB cream. Hope that makes any sense, but it does to me. So what this is from this company Juno, and I'm just going to take it out of the wrapping. I literally, the parcel just came, and I said, you know what? I'm going to open it up with you guys and feel it and see what it's all about. I did print up a sheet on it so that I'd be able to read to you guys what the product was all about. The packaging is beyond stunning. Do you see this? So this was a $35 product. Oh my God. I didn't expect to see any of this. I've only seen it the jar when the girls are actually putting it on their face as primers, but look at that. That is the coolest packaging. Wow. Okay. And then let's see what this is about here. It's another gorgeous box. So unbelievable. I'm surprised, because Juno to me, you know, I thought was not an expensive brand based on how they came onto the market with those inexpensive microfiber blush sponges. Talking all over the place. Give me a sec. Oh my God, the packaging is like so unique. I didn't know how to open it. Okay, so this comes like this, and then the product is inside there. Is that not insane? Wow. Just gorgeous. And this is stunning. Oh my God. So between the packaging alone, before you even see the product, you are blown away. So this is their primer. And what they say is, it says meet, they're calling this Moonshine. So it says meet Juno Moonshine. It's a miracle cream. It's made to hydrate and prime your skin to perfection. It says you can wear it under makeup to create the perfect canvas or wear it alone to moisturize for naturally glowy, dewy skin. It's supposed to blur fine lines, minimize pores, as well as moisturize. And the two main ingredients that are here are made to plump up the skin and reduce skin imperfections. It's avocado oil and a hyaluronic acid. And what I found ironic was I watch all age groups, and the girls that were young and the girls that were older were all saying the same benefits, and they found such a difference when they wore it and when they didn't, based on their foundation. So their foundation wear. So I just said, you know what, I got to try this. So it says they answered some questions on the website. So it says, what does it smell like? It says it's a lightly scented, like your regular cream, although some people have tested the product, claim that they don't smell any scent, which we'll check in 2 minutes. And then the second thing they asked is it good for oily skin, and is it safe for sensitive skin? So yes, they tested the product on every skin type. 60% of oily skin claim they don't feel greasy after they put it on, and 90% of the dry skin liked the moisturizing effect from the avocado oil as well as the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, when I hear that that's in a product, my ears perk up, because anything with hyaluronic acid I jump on, simply because it really does help lock in the moisturization. It also helps plump out the skin. So it says if you have dry skin, definitely it's a good combo with your current moisturizing serum, but if you have oily skin, they would skip that step and go straight to this as a primer. So you don't need the moisturizer and this. You can use this as both, it's saying. Can you wear it over sunscreen or other skin products? It depends on the texture of the product. Based on their test, they don't recommend using Moonshine, which is the name of this product, on top of very heavy creams or serums. If you must use them, please wait until they fully absorb first, which you should do anyways. And then it says the same goes with sunscreens. The lighter the texture, the better. You use it under sunscreen as well as take advantage of the moisturizing benefits. Remember, sunscreen blocks everything that you add on top. So powder sunscreens are a great option as well. And then they just said, does it leave a dewy or a matte finish? It depends on your skin, but most people say they get a dewy finish, but not too much. And the last question was, is it cruelty free or vegan? And they said yes. So let's open her up. So don't smell anything through the jar. It has that extra top, which helps keep things, I feel, a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for? It keeps it fresher. So let's do that there. And it looks like a really thick cream in the jar. So let's see. Put some on my hand here. That's what it looks like there. Okay, now I see what they're talking about. And I don't smell anything. This here is why you do not need a cream or a moisturizer beforehand, because it truly goes on like a moisturizer, and it's thick enough that you will get the hydration from it. And let's just see what it does. I made sure not to put any lotions or anything on my hand prior to, so that we would be able to do a side-by-side with one hand that has this on it versus my other hand that has nothing. So, I mean, you can see the difference. Wow. Yeah. This is nothing. This is the cream. So you do get a beautiful dewiness, but not like oily. And it sinks into the skin, but there's still enough left on the surface that I think it's going to act similar to the new e.l.f. Putty Primer, as well as that Tarte Primer, because those have like that thicker level that it really does blend everything in. But my hand feels like so moisturized. It's unbelievable. So this is my newest find. This is what I'm going to be testing out underneath my foundations, and I'm going to try it religiously for a week. I'm going to try it with the foundations that I love and that I have no problems with, and then I'm going to put it on with some of the ones that kind of go, you don't want to give up on them, but they're kind of in the back. I'm going to try that with this as well to see if maybe this makes the foundations last longer on my skin. I am a normal combo girl. Mostly it's that T-zone, but I'm living in a completely different climate now, so everything that I used to know about my skin, I am learning different things. So if you put the aging into it and then a completely new environment, I am totally a new girl learning everything about myself all over again. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for being on this journey with me. And like I said, hope you will subscribe to the channel, because when I find new things that I want to share with you guys, and if these are products that you're already familiar with, please leave some comments down below. Give me some tips. If you loved it, if you hate it, what your skin type is like. Let's get the communication going a little bit, and I would really appreciate that. So if you're enjoying my content, I really hope you will give me a thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is really important for me in the growth on this platform, as well as you can follow me on Instagram, which my name there is TrueWants with the number 2. And then we'll see you in the next video. All right, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.